See, blessing your lip and roll. Ride with a 4-4. Pouring that lean slow. Don't fuck up the tempo. Choppers don't make us blow. Niggas can't really fuck with us. My life revolve around evil hoes. Blowing on the finest drug. Fucking on the finest hoes. My nigga really up the score. If you know, then you know. I was down on my low. Still screaming fuck up, ho. See, flexing your lip and roll. Ride around with a 4-4. Pouring that lean slow. Don't fuck up the tempo. We got the chops, don't make us blow. Niggas can't really fuck with us though. And these niggas still stealing swag. They ain't in they bag. My bitch super fucking bad. These niggas make me laugh. I love making niggas mad. Don't sip that too fast, yeah. And I'm still driving super fast. I'm still fucking up a bag. Don't make me make it blast. The K came with a mad hat. My nigga came without his mad hat. He'll still doing bad, yeah. See, flexing your lip and roll. Ride around with a 4-4. Pouring that lean slow. Don't fuck up the tempo. We got no chops, don't make us blow. Niggas can't really fuck with us though. See, flexing your lip and roll. Ride around with a 4-4. Pouring that lean slow. Don't fuck up the tempo. We got no chops, don't make us blow. Niggas can't really fuck with us though. See, flexing your lip and roll. Ride around with a 4-4. Pouring that lean slow. Don't fuck up the tempo. We got no chops, don't make us blow. Niggas can't really fuck with us though. You was worried about me pouring up. I was worried about you going up. I ain't wanna go public with you, cause I was worried about you going up. And I break bread with my niggas for sure. We ain't blood brothers, we mud brothers for sure. Why you gotta act like this in public and put on a show? I spent 5,000 for this chain, so I'm putting it on. How the fuck I ain't do nothing for you and I put you on? Put my feelings up in my cup and I go make me a song. Blue said it's time to get in your bag, so I'm finna get in my zone. We don't fuck with the outsiders, we came up on our own. My blunt got real Zaza in it. My cup got real codeine in it. Shut more attention, now you talking about keeping your distance. Tryna stay on my pivot, you tryna knock my pimpin'. I'm still sippin'.
Hey, running around in magazine. Yeah, you got too much paper, that's why they ain't mad at me. Yeah, I'm in that H.R. Roger, living lavishly. Yeah, here's some shit, you're free, she eating in the backseat. Hey, nigga run around this glass side. Yeah, nigga run around with this glass side while the car side. Yeah, nigga for 12 years, cause I know they're outside. Yeah, so we keep on whenever we pop out. Yeah, feel that love and codeine mean so much to me. Yeah, I just for this, how that shit went nice. Let me, yeah, I just put like 5 and shit went nice. Let me, nigga shit they still hate, but they still let me, yeah. If a nigga shoot this way, just know he shoot back. Yeah, the whole pint full of tricks, nigga know I already do that. Yeah, bitch, your head been some drink, little nigga, I blew that. No need for a bitch and fin, 5 cents, rip through that. Yeah, cut it like how I'm really gon' fuck my friend. Yeah, I see your codeine, wash away all of my sins. Yeah, fuck these real niggas, but I'm coming up twin. And it's 4-5 birthday, nah boy, I'm gon' win.
And it fucked me up when Brenda died. Powered up with 6, I sat back and cried. Had a dream of you, I seen you in the sky. You see the pain in my eyes. Fucked me up when I seen you in the sky. Fucked me up so much it made me cry. My blunt got real Zaza in it. My cup got real codeine in it. Shut more attention, now you talking about keeping your distance. Tryna stay on my pivot, you tryna knock my pimpin'. I'm still sippin'.
My 5 birthday done.
Say shit like running beam and cool. The cup stuffed up with red.